At Numerian Capital, we bring you the latest stock news each day. Please like and subscribe so we can bring these articles to you each day. Thank you.
Today, October 12, 2022, will Alopexx stock be the next hot IPO? Here's what you need to know about the Nasdaq's newest IPO. Alopexx held its IPO on the Nasdaq today. The clinical stage biotech company possesses two compounds that have completed phase 1 trials. Alopexx is expected to raise $15 million through its IPO. Alopexx, Nasdaq ALPX, is the newest member of the Nasdaq, as the clinical stage biotechnology company held its initial public offering today. The company has a focus on developing therapies to treat bacterial, fungal, and parasitic infections. As part of its IPO, Alopexx is expected to raise $15 million by selling 5 million shares of Alopexx stock at a starting price of $3 apiece. Alopexx is unprofitable and reported a net loss of $500,222 during the first quarter, up from a net loss of $47,971 a year ago. The company acknowledges this and warns that we have incurred significant net losses since inception and anticipate that we will continue to incur substantial net losses for the foreseeable future and may never achieve profitability. In addition, Alopexx does not have any products on the market. However, it is working to develop two compounds, F598 and AVO238, to treat infections. Let's get into the details. Alopexx stock debuts on the Nasdaq. F598 is a fully human monoclonal antibody that has successfully completed phase 1 and phase 2 pilot trials. The antibody seeks to prevent hospital-acquired infections, such as after emergency abdominal surgery or abdominal trauma. Meanwhile, AVO238 is a chemically synthesized vaccine that targets S. pneumonia and meningococcal infections. Through testing, both compounds have shown effectiveness against antimicrobial-resistant organisms. Both of these compounds target polyN-acetylglucosamine, which is found on most fungal and bacterial microbes. The company notes that virtually every microbe we have examined has polyN-acetylglucosamine on its surface. Market Research Future estimates that the global market for treating hospital-acquired infections will reach $32.5 billion by 2030, up from $23.7 billion in 2020. That represents a compound annual growth rate of 1.37% and also a large addressable market for Alopexx to take advantage of. Still, taking drugs to trial is a highly costly and extensive process. For the 3 months that ended March 31st, Alopexx reported general and administrative expenses of $369,475 and research and development expenses of $121,578. Along with other expenses, that was equivalent to a net loss per share of 16 cents. If the company fails to achieve approval for F598 and AVO238, then its business would be significantly harmed.
Thanks for watching Numerian Capital News. Please come back tomorrow for another stock news update. Thank you.